fourth graders. This is Miss Bush, and this is your weekly overview for science. So let's check it out. This is our Schoology page. This is what it looks like on a teacher computer. Week 3. This is the third week of distance learning science. So I know we've had distance learning for longer, but it's the third time you've come to science. So I renumbered. Week 1 is down there. Week 2 was about magnets. Week 3. Some kids are turning assignments in the wrong place, and I think this will fix it. I think so. Monday for week 3 is called 3.1, so it's week 3, day 1. Everything on Tuesday is labeled 3.2, week 3, day 2. Everything for Wednesday is labeled week 3, day 3. And Thursday is labeled 3.4, week 3, day 4. And there's no school on Friday. Well, for kids, teachers still have to do a lot of work on Friday. But you get a day off. Here you go. This is your overview for the week. Guess what? This is your weekly checklist. You can look at this more than once. That's a new idea. I know. My niece is in 11th grade and she's 16. And she said, well, my teacher put it in the week at a glance email, but I just didn't think I had to look at it much. I just had to glance at it. I'm like, oh my gosh. Even 16-year-olds are confused about this. Your weekly checklist has everything you need for the whole week. So if you get confused at any point in the week, open this page and look at it a second time or a third time. It can help you. It shows you everything. Monday, 3.1 discussion board about static. You can even draw a little check mark. Tuesday, we're doing static observations. It's an assignment on Schoology. Wednesday, it's a Schoology assignment. It's a worksheet. And Thursday, you have a quiz. If you forget about office hours, it's labeled right here, drop in office hours daily at 1:30. And the Google Meet code is HMSCI. Miss Kaki's class has their Google Meet on Wednesday. Miss Cordham's class has their Google Meet Thursday. And Miss Witt's class, there's no school on Friday. So you are invited to join Miss Kaki's or Miss Cordham's class, and you can come to a Google Meet on Wednesday or Thursday. So everyone, let's say you forget what's the code to get into a Google Meet. It's listed right here for you. Every code is the same. Let's say you forget when office hours are. You can come back to this overview. And I know for adults just know that you can look at the weekly overview more than once, but for kids, you don't know that unless someone tells you. For this week, it's all about static electricity. I think it'll be a good week. You do not have to have balloons and things to do static experiments at home. You can do everything from watching the videos Miss Bush shares with you. And if you want to try something at home, you have to have adult permission and adult supervision, and you can always add those to your assignments, and I love seeing those things. We are ending the week with something new this week. It's called a quiz. I think you will love it. It's due Thursday, and I will open it up on Thursday for you to do. Here's the preview. The quiz is not meant to be super tricky. It is hopefully a nice, easy way, because instead of doing a worksheet on a different app and then turning the worksheet in, the quiz is all in Schoology. So it's just a way to practice ideas, but have it all included in Schoology. There are some directions, and then you can start it. And for Thursday's quiz, the questions are right on Schoology, and you get to click your answers. I set it up so you can take the quiz as many times as you want. And the big idea this week is, how are magnetism and static the same, and how are they different? So that's what we're working on all week. And leave that quiz so I can show you a few other things. And that's the big idea. I changed it. We're not using Keynote this week. We're using Notability, because I think a lot of you use Notability more with your teacher. So on Tuesday's work, you're going to see one page with all of the directions. Boom, boom. And then the next page has the assignment. The assignment page does not have all the details on it. You need to read the directions to understand what we're doing. But the assignment page has the worksheet. The worksheet for Tuesday is titled 3.2, and the assignment's titled 3.2, so you can easily turn it in. And the worksheet is really just 5 things to fill in. Nothing that should take too long, but hopefully you can have some fun thinking about static electricity and energy. So what else did I need to tell you? I don't remember. I think you'll have a great week. Please try to turn in your assignments in the correct places. And I gave you a reminder. I am expecting you to come to the science page daily. So I don't know why, but a lot of kids are waiting and doing all of their science work on Friday. And that's not going to help your brain learn the idea. Your brain's going to learn the idea better if you do a little bit each day. So 3.1 is due on Monday, and that's the assignment I open on Monday. You have to come back to my page because I don't open up the next one until the next day. So 3.2 will be open on Tuesday and it's due on Tuesday. 3.3 will get open on Wednesday and it's due on Wednesday. And 3.4 gets opened on Thursday and it's due on Thursday. You are expected to do a little science every day. That's how this is set up for distance learning. Have a great week, 4th grade. I will see you at office hours daily at 1:30, and I will see you at the Google Meets on Wednesday and Thursday.